Nitaomba wale ambao wanakuja after mwaito, ukipewa ua utaweka hapo chini, tutaweka pale chini. Naomba kwanza mpewe ua mweke kwa mwaito. Osaye la mwili eleva obunde inyonde. Imeandikwa na itasomwa na Bon.
We stand here today to honor a man who embodied the true meaning of love, sacrifice, and dedication. You were hero, our mentor, and our friend. Your life was a testament to the power of hard work, integrity, and faith. We remember your unwavering commitment to our family, your selfless the importance of kindness, and the aim of life well lived. Your example has shaped us into who we are today. Dad, you were more than just a father. You were our rock, our confidant, and our guiding light. We will miss you, your infectious laughter, but we are grateful for the memories, the lessons, and the love. Proud. We carry on your values and to make a difference in the world. We will always be grateful for the gift of you in our lives. Mutumia, rest in peace, Dad. We love you and we will see you on the other side. Amen.
Ingali mmesimama hapo, tafadhali naomba wakeze ibetisia tumeame bambe moke. Mwaito siana na ibetisio si ukulia ukebisa nisu. Mzee Mzee ikanamu pisa ikumeneza.